You are listening to NOAA weather radio station, KWN50, in Turner County, Georgia, operating 24 HOURSVA day, on a frequency of 162.450 MHz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated forecast line at 850-942-8851. The current time is 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time conditions. At the Tallahassee Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 54 degrees. The wind was north at 6 miles an hour. At Florida State University, visibility 7 miles. At Apalachicola, it was cloudy. The temperature was 57 degrees. The wind was north at 12 miles an hour. At Panama City Northwest, it was fair. The temperature was 54 degrees. The wind was north at 7 miles an hour. At Dothan, it was clear. The temperature was 47 degrees. The wind was north at 8 miles an hour. At Albany, it was clear. The temperature was 43 degrees. The wind was calm. At Valdosta, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 52 degrees. The wind was calm. Over the marine area, Keegan Beach had north winds at 6 knots. Cedar Key had north winds at 5 knots. Sea Tower had northeast winds at 60 knots. At the buoy south of Apalachicola, winds were northeast at 12 knots and seas were 2 feet. At the buoy south of Panama City, winds were northeast at 12 knots. At the buoy south of Pensacola. The forecast for the local area. Today, sunny. Patchy fog early in the morning. Highs around 60. Northeast winds up to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. East winds up to 5 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 60. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Southeast winds up to 5 miles per hour. Monday, warmer. Mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Monday night, warmer. Mostly cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Wednesday, rain showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Near steady temperature in the lower 60s. Chance of precipitation 80%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of precipitation 80%. Thursday, sunny. Chance of rain showers in the morning, then slight chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of showers 50%. Thursday night, colder. Mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s.